Hello friend, data science excited. Okay. Before starting to the coming uh, next coming point, I want to tell one thing. Please like and subscribe my channel. And guys, what happened? Because some problem with my another headphone, so I noticed that my first and second lecture, their voice is not clear. So, guys, I am repeating all the topics against what things I covered in my first and second lecture, and third and fourth lecture it is fine. So I am repeating all those points, whatever I taught in first and second lecture. In first lecture, simply I discuss about syllabus, what I will going to discuss. So in first lecture, firstly, I write the full form of SQL. What is the SQL? SQL is a structured query language, and this SQL we divide the syllabus in three modules. In module one, I will going to discuss about data and information. Then I will discuss about database and different database model. And in third module, DBMS, database management system. And fourth part, I will discuss RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. And up to four topic I already covered. Uh, in next coming lecture, I will discuss about data types and basic constraint. Okay. In second module, I will discuss about different SQL command. That is DDL, DML, DQL, TCL. I will discuss all the things. Okay, so don't worry. And next I will discuss about operator, what is where clause, what is order by clause, then group by and having clause, built-in function of Oracle. Then I will go subquery, joins, and normalization. Okay, this thing we will discuss in model 2. In model 3, I will discuss about PL and SQL. Okay, in PL we will discuss about views, procedures, function, and triggers. Okay. In the previous lecture, I discussed about what is the data. I think you already know that data is a raw material, or you can say that data is meaningful thing which is present around us in the form of character, number, or any physical object. Okay, example of data will be A, B, C up to Z. Means it is in the form of character. So A, B, C up to Z. Okay, it is in the form of number. So number from 1 to infinity is also is a one type of data, and any physical object means whatever object we see around us, that is a data. So example of that one: chair, fan, a student, book, pencil, etc., etc. Or information. What is information? Information is a collection of data. Okay. And suppose that some student they have some subject like they choose physics, chemistry, math, and Hindi. So in that, they in physics they got 80 marks, in chemistry got 80 marks, math 80, and Hindi 80. For simple calculation, I took here 80. So we can easily calculate average of this one is 80. So here is the collection of data. So collection of data is called information. I wrote here name. Okay, Ilasan, my name. So it is the collection of character. This is also information. Okay. So in second lecture, I discussed about database. Okay. So database is nothing. It's like a storage or container. You can say that it is a box which store all the information or data in some organized manner. Okay. So that is database. Okay. Based on the storing the data in database, the database is classified into four different models. That models are file system, that is very old model, or you can say that it was first model. Hierarchical database model, network database model, relational database model. Four type of database model. And nowadays we are using relational database. Okay. So here in file system database model, that is oldest database model, and this model was come into picture in 1950s. And in this model, we store the data and information in the form of numerous files. Or this file will not have any relationship and or connection with it. So that, okay, no connection between them. So that, which due to which it has a following drawback. Okay, because of that. What is the drawback? Data redundancy problem will come. The same type of data was inserted multiple times, even though not required, and searching time was more. So this model is recommended only for only when data is minimum. In that case, it is good. Else, it is not good. Okay. Example of file system is phone book, staff details, etc. And second one is hierarchical database. In this database, data or information is in the form of like a tree, and they will be partially connected among the files. So little bit data redundancy problem solved. But searching is not, and searching is compared to file system, it is good, but here is searching is not faster. So this model is only is better only compared to file system. And it is also not good because here this database model also having same problem with database redundancy problem and searching time was removed. That's why we move to the network database. But in the network database, it is also store the data or information in the form of tree like a structure. But in this model, all the files is connected over the network. So with this database model overcome the drawback of previous two model. But one challenge in this network model is that if any network is failed, then entire will go shut down. Okay, this problem comes with this network database model. So we move to the relational database model, and this model was introduced by EF Ford during 1970s. So in this model is in this model, data or information is in the form of numerous tables. Okay, where all the tables will be connected to each other manually by the user with the primary and foreign key. And with the help of we store data and information in the form of rows and columns. And this model is the most efficient and effective because it overcomes the drawback of previous model. And with all these four models, we will discuss with the help of diagram also. So we check here. Deleted. I didn't save all the pictures. Okay, you follow my lecture till now you will get all the things. Okay. For revising purpose, I repeat again the thing, and we discussed about relational database management and database management system. Database management system is like a software which is given to end user using which they can manage the data present in the database. And relational database is both are same, but in this we use file system hierarchical network database model, but in relational database model we use relational database. Okay, that's why it is known as relational database model. It is software given to end user using which they can manage the data present in relational database. And I draw a diagram also. The relational database model here base will be relational database, and if it is simple DBMS database management system, database can be anything, file system, hierarchical network. So, next coming lecture, I will discuss about SQL. Okay, then I will use constraint. What constraint is used in Excel, I will discuss in next lecture. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and please share all playlist with your friend so they can easily prepare for interview no need to go for any institute. Please